In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a to-do list in Notion. Whether you're just getting started or you've been using Notion for a while, a simple checklist can work wonders for organizing your day and staying focused on what needs to get done. First, sign into your Notion account. If you don't have one yet, head to Notion's website to create a free account. Once you're in, you'll land on your dashboard. Think of this as your home base where all your pages live and where you can quickly jump into your work. Next, choose where your to-do list will live. You can open an existing page if you already have a space you like, or create a fresh page just for this list. To make a new page, click the plus sign in the sidebar. A blank canvas will open, ready for your content. Give it a clear name if you'd like so you can find it easily later. Now let's set up the actual checklist. Click into the page and type the word to do, then press enter. Notion will automatically create a checkbox item for you. This is the heart of your to-do list. You'll see a neat checkbox next to your first line, which gives you that satisfying click when you complete something. It also triggers smart suggestions that keep the format consistent and easy to expand. With your first checkbox in place, start adding tasks. Type what you need to do, things like buy groceries or finish project report. Keep each line short and actionable so you know exactly what to do next. After you enter the first task, press enter again to create another checkbox. Repeat this as many times as you need. Each enter adds a new item, so building your list becomes a quick rhythm of type and tap. As your list grows, feel free to adjust it to match your day. Rearrange tasks so the most important items rise to the top, add new ones as they pop up, or remove items you no longer need. And of course, check things off as you complete them. That little check mark can be surprisingly motivating, and it gives you a clear picture of your progress. To keep the system working for you, make it a habit to update your list regularly. Review it at the start or end of your day, add anything you're missing, and celebrate those check marks. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Notion tips and tutorials.